In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Claude AI account. Whether you're looking to clean up your online presence or switch to another service, I'm here to help guide you through the process step by step. So, let's get started. First, the crucial step is to visit Claude's website. You'll need to log into your account, which is essential for any changes related to your profile. This is just like visiting a familiar place knowing you're about to say goodbye, so take a moment if you need to. Enter your login details, your email, and password, and you'll be taken to your account homepage. Once you're there, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, you'll want to navigate to Account Settings, which is very straightforward. Look to the lower left corner of your screen. Here, you might see your initials or your name displayed. This is where you'll want to click. Once you've selected this, a menu will pop up. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This area holds all the essential tools for managing your account details and preferences, and it's your gateway to making substantial changes, such as deletion. The final step is to actually delete your account. Within the Account section of the Settings menu, find the option that says Delete Account. Clicking this will initiate the process. Be prepared to follow any prompts that appear. These prompts are there to ensure you really want to take this action and to verify your identity for security reasons. Think of it as a double check just to confirm your intentions. After all, deleting your account is a significant step, and it's not something you can quickly undo. As you follow through with these prompts, keep an eye out for any confirmation emails or messages to ensure the deletion has been processed successfully. The whole procedure is relatively simple, but it's always good to double-check that every step has been completed correctly. Completing these prompts officially breaks the connection with your account, making sure that your information is no longer active on the platform. And there you have it, just a few clicks, and your account with Claude AI is no more. I hope this guide has been clear and easy to follow. Remember, it's always important to be mindful about which online accounts you maintain, and when it's time to part ways with them, feel confident in knowing how to do so properly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.